Hey friends, it's Christy. Welcome back to my channel. Today I wanted to share kind of an unboxing, unpacking of the brand new Lawn Fawn kit. Yeah, I just couldn't resist it. I thought it was really cute and a great value for your money. So I did go ahead and pick that up, and I thought I would go ahead and share that with you guys today. So all I did was rip open the package. I haven't even looked inside because I wanted to share kind of like, you know, an unboxing, unpacking, whatever. So you see it exactly as it comes. So I'm going to go ahead and pull it out of the packaging. And they have packed everything in a really pretty little, I forget what these are called, but like a gauze bag that's all tied up at the top with a nice bow. So you can definitely save this packaging and reuse it for something else. Tulle is what it's made out of. The word just came to me. So I don't know if this is like a monthly kit or if it's just going to be every once in a while. I'm not 100% sure on the particulars. But yeah, I thought this set was really, really cute. And I had actually had a card idea recently for something with honey with the bears from Den Sweet Den. And I went through all of my stamps looking for something that I could possibly turn into like a beehive. And I really didn't find anything that would work really great. So then when this set came out, like shortly after, I was just like, okay, yeah, take my money. I've got to get it. So the main thing here is this really cute stamp set with these adorable bees. This is called Hive Five, so it's kind of a play on high five. That's what the whole kit is called as well. It's named after this stamp set. So you get 5 cute little bees, the beehive, and then I love the honey jar and the little honey, is it called a spoon? What are they called? It's usually made out of wood, but anyway, and then you get a flower, a little speech bubble, and a lot of great sentiments on there. I love that there's some really good birthday sentiments too. Happy bee day to the queen bee, happy bee day my friend. And it can also be a friendship. Thanks for being my friend. You're as sweet as honey. So yeah, there's a good selection of different kinds of cards that you can make with this. I believe it comes with a matching die, yes. So there is the matching die for that. You also get a honeycomb shaker gift tag. So this one has the tag here, and then you have like a frame that layers over that, and then you have a smaller window if you'd like to use that, and then you have some different little honeycomb images, some hole reinforcers, and a flower with the flower center right there. So that's really fun. Then the thing that I was really excited about was the paper pad. And like I said, I don't really know too much about this kit because it's brand new, and I don't know if this stuff is going to be released separately at a later date or not. That would be really cool if they did it that way. But it may also just be exclusive to the kit. I'm really not sure how they're doing that. But I could not resist this paper pad. I thought the color palette was really beautiful, and dots and stripes are just so versatile for so many different things. So let's go ahead and flip through that. So you have the pink stripes, and then a pink polka dot, and then there's orange. There's a lemon yellow. Really pretty, soft, subtle tones. There's a mint green. There's a kind of dusty turquoise blue. And the purple. So the mint maybe is actually supposed to be more of a turquoise. I don't know, it looks pretty mint colored to me. But I think in their video they did say it was 2 colors of blue, a turquoise and then a more blue toned blue. So that's the whole pad, and then it repeats. You get 3 of every print. So that's really nice. I'm not a huge fan of paper pads that just repeat the same patterns over and over. And if you missed my pattern paper video that I did recently, it kind of was tucked inside a haul video. I'm actually redoing that video, just the intro and outro of it, and I'm gonna post that tomorrow on my channel on Saturday as a bonus video, because I thought it might be more helpful for you guys to have it classified as, you know, pattern paper mixing and not disguised within a haul. So I kind of separated it out, filmed a new intro and outro, and I'm gonna repost that tomorrow, just so it's easier to find, not only for you guys if you want to refer back to it, because a lot of you said that you did, but also for new people to find on my channel. So anyway, if you missed that video, definitely check that out if you are interested in mixing pattern paper. But dots and stripes do layer really nicely over each other, so this is a really good paper pad to mix probably just 2 patterns on a card, but I think that's still great. And I love that we have this whole new set with a really beautiful, almost like sherbet colored palette. I think it's just fantastic. You also get a new stencil. This is called the Honeycomb Stencil, and there's a bunch of different sections that you can use, and then there's also a mask that you could use. If you haven't seen the video for this kit on the Lawn Fawn channel, I would definitely check that out, because they showed you several ways to use it and they made a few cards as well. And I think since then there have been a few more videos using this kit on their channel. I haven't had a chance to watch those yet, but I can't wait to, because yeah, I think they're going to be really great. They also included the glaze pen, I think. Let's see. I'm just going to go ahead and tear that because the knot is pretty tight. Or not tear it, but cut it. Let's see. Is it the clear glaze? It's the sparkle glaze. So this should be pretty similar to Stardust Stickles, which I use a ton on my channel. I'm going to test that out in a video soon and we will see. But yeah, it's just got a very subtle shimmer to it, at least in the bottle. I don't know if that picks up on camera, but it looks really pretty, and it should dry clear with just the sparkle because it's meant to be used on the bee's wings. So yeah, I thought that was going to be just really fun to have and to create some unique cards. So I just couldn't pass it up. I wasn't planning on buying anything else this month, but you know, Lawn Fawn, they just get you every time, don't they? So anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed a peek at this kit. I'm not sure if it's still available. I know it was a limited time only, but if you missed it, stay tuned. They may release the products separately at a later date. I really don't know what the plan is. And I think there's going to be more kits in the future. So maybe if bees aren't your thing, you know, the next one might be right up your alley. So definitely stay tuned for that and check that out, you know, when it comes out. So I hope you guys enjoyed. Like I said, stay tuned tomorrow if you would like to see that paper pattern, paper pad mixing. It's what I look for when I buy pattern paper pads, and also all of my best tips for mixing pattern paper on a card with tons of examples. Like I said, I've already released that video as a haul, so it's the same information just with a new intro and outro. But if you missed it in the haul, you might want to check that out, or if you want to kind of save it in your saved videos to refer back to, you can do that. And then I just today filmed the video that you guys requested about using my pre-colored images on cards. So I filmed a couple of cards in that video. That's going to be coming on Monday. So definitely stay tuned for that. That was highly, highly, highly requested. I asked you guys for opinions and you gave me a resounding yes. And I definitely didn't get anywhere near through all of the images in that dish. So if you'd like more of those videos, definitely let me know in the comments down below and I can do that again for you guys. So really fun videos coming up on my channel. I hope you guys will enjoy them. Thank you so much for spending your time with me today, and I'll see you soon in another video. Bye-bye.